A spiral in the sky amazes Alaskans. It looks like a space tornado.
Uh-huh.
You gonna play the video? What? I see. Uh-oh. Alien. For sure alien.
No.
Guaranteed alien.
That looks like AI.
That's what aliens do. Many Alaskans witnessed a strange spiral moving through the night sky late Friday and early Saturday morning. This is Anchorage, late Friday night. A strange spiral moving through the sky over the state. Some folks say it looked like an alien spaceship or a portal to an alternate universe. It's amazing. All of our fiction just pops in. We're like, I don't know. Probably a portal. I watched enough portal content with portals in it.
Probably a fast-moving portal.
Gotta be a portal.
Yeah.
After doing some online research, this phenomenon appears to be a rocket engine exhaust from SpaceX Transporter 7 mission that launched on the Falcon 9 about 3 hours earlier in California, said space physicist Don Hampton. Now, you're going to see more of this now. Once you got the space company.
Satellites, rocket engines.
Yeah.
Debris.
Yes.
Really.
And just more, that's just SpaceX again. And then eventually we're going to look at the sky and not even really examine it because we're going to be like, it's just SpaceX doing SpaceX stuff.
Yeah.
NASA doing NASA stuff.
Yeah. But
until we get
eerie.
Green guy, until we get an actual green guy. And we're like, oh. And I don't even know what happens with that. If green guy shows up, I don't even know how people respond to that.
Uh-huh.
So...